Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make yarn out of a t-shirt.
You will need a t-shirt and a pair of scissors. Cut the bottom strip of the t-shirt off. Then cut your t-shirt into strips, but don't cut the strips completely off. Leave a few inches so that they're still attached. Do this until you've reached the top of the t-shirt up to the sleeves, then you can go ahead and completely cut the top of the t-shirt off. With the part of the t-shirt you have left, flip it so that the place where all the strips are connected is facing up. Then cut from the middle of the strips up to the first slit. Then cut from the first slit on one side to the second slit on the other side, and keep going on like that until you've reached the end. When you get to where there's one strip left on one side and two strips left on the other, cut from between the two strips up to the top of the other strip. Now you should have one long continuous string. Go ahead and wind that into a ball of yarn.
I hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new. I post one video every Sunday afternoon. I will see you guys next week. Bye!